Hi everyone, this is Anchal Soni. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss how you can show a green arrow for profit and a red arrow for loss. There can be multiple use cases to this custom feature. However, I'm using this example to demonstrate it. You can use this feature as per your requirement. Maybe if you want to show growth or year over year growth, or similar cases, then you can use this feature. So I'll be talking about how you can use this color coded geometric shape in your tooltip. So let's get started. I'm creating a new sheet and plotting the same graph using profit and subcategory, and let's make a line chart out of it. Alright, so now the requirement is to show a green green arrow showing upwards for profit. So for this we'll have to note that you need geometric shapes, and I'll be sharing the links of these websites where you will find lots of geometric shapes. So these are the two here. I'm using i2symbol.com for now. So an arrow pointing upwards. I'll just click over here, copy this from here, and come on Tableau, paste it in a calculated field. See, it's very easy to copy paste these geometric shapes from these websites. The only shortcoming is that you cannot use any specific color. So, like, I tried changing the color of this geometric shape in Word file and then using that green color arrow here in calculated field, but the color doesn't get copied. So, I will show you a way out. My condition would be if sum of profit is greater than 0, then an arrow upwards. And let's name it as positive profit. Alright. Now let's duplicate this and create a similar one for loss. So I'm going back again here and I'll find a down arrow. I'll paste it over here and change my condition. Profit should be less than 0 and this should be negative profit. Okay. Alright. Now we want to use these calculated fields in the tooltips. So we'll bring these fields over tooltip card here. Now let's go to tooltip. We want to show subcategory. We want to show profit, and then we want to show the arrows next to it. So I'm aligning the arrows one after the other over here. Alright, so negative profit, we want it in red color, and the positive one, we want this to be in green color. Alright, okay. Alright, so see, negative profit gets displayed in an arrow pointing downwards in red color here, and positive profit appears in green color with an arrow pointed upwards. So this was a quick tip I wanted to share with you all. Thank you so much.